Welcome back to Vihan's Cooking World. Today, food is a mystery food. Trying to guess what it is. I'll make a dance, so I'll give you a clue of the dance. So, what is the food? The food is chicken rolls. You can also call this as Indian chicken puff. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients. Cabbage, chicken, 2 eggs, puff pastry, salt, pepper powder. So I'm only gonna use these 3 ingredients and then grind it. Small red chili, half fennel seeds, and a small cinnamon. So let's grind. If you don't want to use this spice powder, you can always just add red chili powder and salt and some pepper powder into the chicken mixture. Now I'm gonna add chicken to this big bowl, and then I'm gonna add salt to the chicken and pepper powder. Now salt. And now I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna add olive oil to this pan, and then when the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the chicken. I feel the oil is hot. So now we're gonna add some chicken and then stir fry it. It's time to stir fry. Stirring or the chicken will stick on the pan. Some water to this cabbage, and now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. I'm draining the water from the cooked cabbage. Now we're gonna add the drained and cooked cabbage and the spice powder that we made and a little bit of pepper. So let's add it. Now let's add the spice powder. Now a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit more cabbage is that. Now we're gonna mix it. Now let's add the chicken that we still fried. Now we're gonna mix it well. To this parsley seed, I'm gonna add this mixed chicken to this corner. Now we'll have to fold it. And now we have to add egg yolk on this triangle, but not the folded part. Let's roll it. Now we have to put our roll in the air fryer and cook it for 5 minutes and keep it for 350 degrees. So let's go. Now let's do it. Now flip this and cook it for 10 minutes. Now you have to air fry it for 10 more minutes. I'm going to show you the other way too. The frying way with oil. So I feel the oil is very hot, so let's add it. Look, I fried this one in the oil. It looks good. Now we're gonna eat the one that we fried in the oil. it tastes super. This is the air-fried one. Oh, look how puffy it is and big. Now I'm gonna taste the air-fried one. Wow, it's like super as the oil cooked one. For watching the video, please like and hit the bell button and subscribe. See you later.